You don't need money, you don't need experience, and you definitely don't need to show your face. You just need to understand where AI creates leverage. What's happening right now is the biggest skill reset we've seen in years. The barrier to entry is collapsing, and the people who figure out how to use AI to remove friction are going to win big. Not just because they're smarter, but because they can build smarter systems. If you're new here, I'm Jeff Hershey, the founder of Reviewly.ai, and I build AI systems that help businesses automate trust and growth. But what I really care about is showing people how to use AI to create real income streams. Not hype, not trends, but actual leverage. Today, I'm breaking down the 3 best AI side hustles for beginners in 2026. These aren't overnight, but they're real. And if you stick with one, you can turn it into something serious. Quick question before we jump in though. If you had to build one AI income stream, would you rather work with clients, build an audience, or sell digital products? Comment client, content, or product below. We read these and I'll make deeper videos based on what you guys choose the most. Let's get into the first one. And honestly, this might be the most underrated AI opportunity right now. Here's the most overlooked AI side hustle right now. It's AI reputation management, and almost nobody is talking about it. Every local business lives and dies by Google reviews. Restaurants, dentists, med spas, contractors, gyms, realtors. Before someone calls, books, or walks in, they check reviews. And here's the crazy part. Most businesses are terrible at managing them. They forget to ask, they ask inconsistently, they never follow up, they don't respond properly, which means they're losing revenue every single week without realizing it. This is where the opportunity is. You don't need to be a marketing expert. You don't need to run ads. You don't even need to create content. You become a reputation automation specialist. Your job is simple. You help businesses generate more Google reviews, automate follow-up via SMS, use AI to respond professionally, increase trust and ranking. That's it. And tools now make this ridiculously simple. For example, we built Reviewly.ai specifically to automate Google review growth through SMS and AI assisted responses. It handles the asking, the follow-up, and even drafts smart responses to reviews automatically. Most business owners don't even know this level of automation exists. That's your edge. Here's how you start. Step 1, pick one niche, not 5, 1. It could be dentists, HVAC, med spas. Pick one. Step 2, offer a small pilot. Let me help you generate 10 new reviews in the next 10 days. Step 3, show them the momentum. When review velocity increases, they see it immediately. Step 4, convert them into a monthly retainer, because review growth isn't a one-time thing, it's ongoing. This is powerful for one reason. Businesses already make money. They're not trying to build something from scratch. You're optimizing an existing revenue engine. And because reputation directly impacts revenue, this becomes recurring income. You land 5 businesses at $300 to $500 a month. That's a real side income. And it scales because the system is automated. You're not doing manual labor, you're installing leverage. This is the fast cash plus the recurring model. Now, if you don't want clients at all, the second one might be more your speed. If you don't want clients and you don't want to get on camera, this one is going to be for you. It's Faceless AI content channels. Most people think YouTube or TikTok means you have to be an influencer, personality, vlogs, face on camera. Not true. There are entire channels doing hundreds of thousands, even millions of views where you never see the creator. You don't even know who they are. No face, no personal brand, just structured content. Here's how this works. Pick one niche. Again, not 5. Not motivation plus finance plus AI plus fitness. 1. Here's some examples. AI tutorials for beginners, simple psychology breakdowns, business case studies, productivity systems, fitness. Then use AI as your production assistant. Use ChatGPT to outline your script. Use AI voice tools to narrate. Use stock footage and simple editing tools and AI for visuals. Use thumbnail templates from Canva for packaging. You're not the influencer. You become the director. Now, here's the part most people that start this mess up with. They expect instant results. They post 3 videos, 42 views total, and then they quit. That's why most people never see compounding. YouTube is a library. Every video stacks. Every upload sharpens your clarity and your skill. Every title improves your positioning. Then one video hits differently. Not viral, just traction. 5,000 views, 10,000 views, and it keeps working 24/7 while you sleep. That becomes leverage. This model, yes, it's slower than reputation management, but it builds something that you own. You don't work with business owners. Your audience equals your distribution. That distribution equals opportunity. And once you understand how to structure content with AI, you can repurpose it into newsletters, digital products, even services. This is long-term positioning. And if you're serious about building this properly, picking profitable niches, structuring offers, monetizing traffic, that's exactly what we break down inside of my Skool community. No fluff, no guru nonsense, just systems. If you want in, the link's below. It's agencystarterkit.com. Now, the third side hustle is the one with the highest leverage. And this is where most people underestimate themselves. This one is a leverage play. No clients, no algorithms to fight, no meetings. You build once, sell over and over again, repeatedly. Here's the biggest misconception. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to be one step ahead of someone else. That's it. Think about something you've already figured out. Maybe it's a productivity system that finally worked, an AI workflow that saves hours, a Notion dashboard that organized your life or your client or your business, a simple automation set up for small businesses. Right now, someone is stuck where you used to be. And instead of them spending 3 months figuring it out, they'd happily pay to skip all the confusion. We do it all the time in my company. That's what a digital product really is. It's organized clarity. Now, here's where AI becomes powerful. AI can help you structure the content, clean up explanations, design the layout, create examples, and format it professionally. You're not inventing something revolutionary. You are packaging something useful. Here's some examples. An AI for Realtors starter system, a 50 prompt bundle for content creators, a plug and play SOP kit for local businesses, a beginner's automation blueprint. You can build it once, host it on Gumroad or Shopify, JVZoo, and then you automate delivery. And now you have leverage. This one takes a little thinking up front, but once it's built, it doesn't require your time. And this is where real scalability starts. Now, because I know most people get stuck at the where do I even start stage, I put something very powerful together for you. It's a free AI side hustle launch playbook. It walks you through how to pick your lane, how to validate demand for a product in 7 days, how to land your first client or your first sale, the basic AI tool stack that you actually need, a simple 90-day execution plan. And if you want it, all you need to do is comment playbook down below and we'll send you the link. No fluff, just structure. So let's zoom out for a second. We talked about 3 AI side hustles. AI reputation management for fast recurring income. You work with businesses, you install automation, you get paid monthly. I love that one. Faceless AI content channels for authority and long-term upside. You build an audience, you own distribution, it compounds. AI digital products for pure leverage. You package clarity once and you sell it repeatedly. You don't need to do all 3. That's where people mess up. They try everything and then they commit to nothing and they quit in 30 days. So here's what you're gonna do. Pick one, commit to 90 days. No hopping, no shiny object syndrome, just execution. And understand this, 2026 isn't about who works the hardest. It's about who removes the most friction. AI doesn't replace effort. It removes the parts people avoid. Businesses avoid asking for reviews, so automation wins. Creators avoid consistency, so systems win. Businesses avoid clarity, so structured digital products win. The opportunity isn't in using AI, the opportunity is installing leverage. And if you want help building this the right way, picking your lane, structuring your offer, building real systems, join us inside the Skool community at agencystarterkit.com. That's where we go deep into this stuff. We talk real frameworks, real breakdowns, over the shoulder demonstrations, real builders, and the links at agencystarterkit.com down below. And if you want the step-by-step AI side hustle launch playbook, comment playbook below this video and I'll send it to you. Pick your lane, let's commit for 90 days and build something real. I'll see you in the next video or inside our Skool community. Take care.